Ricky Jayla. Today I'm going to be unboxing my Good Grade doll from NECA. You get it at Fashion Pearson. You guys see that? Well, the words are backwards, but yeah. Same. Okay, guys. So let's get in. Oh, and by the way, guys, I'm so excited because I have my own discount code. It's CreepyJayla10. So go buy some creepy toys. I'm so happy. Okay, so now let's get into the box. Okay, so it says good guys. Turn it around. You guys notice these are like weapons to kill people? These are weapons to kill. I noticed that when I got mine. But mine's pretty big. Okay guys. Okay, so let's kind of explore the box. In the back, here's Chucky. You guys get some hints of what some of the weapons are gonna be with the picture. But guys, there is no story, so I'm gonna tell you the story. So basically, Charles Lee Ray was doing crime and stuff, and his partner Eddie Caputo. So the cops were chasing them, and then after Charles Lee Ray got out of the car, but when his friend Eddie Caputo saw him and the cops, he drove off without him. So, yeah. And then they go into the toy store. The cops chasing Charles Lee Ray into the toy store. So then after, since before Charles Lee Ray dies, aka Chucky, he knows black magic, so he puts his soul into Chucky's doll, and that's how it all started. So yeah, I told you guys the story, so now let's get into the box. Here, and Ed, the character, the stunt guy who played as Chucky, signed it. I'm so excited. And this is the card. This is how you know how it's signed by like the real artist. So yeah, I'll put that card right there. Let's get into it. And you see Chucky on the side too. Okay, we got this. Open. Dun, dun. Oh, some items. Go up. Okay, guys. Take this out carefully. We'll open this up. Whoa. Okay, guys. This is like a lot of things, guys. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna give you the reveal. Let me just take off all this. Oh, the surprise. Okay, I gotta hide the surprise. Guys, look at. I'm gonna get out Chucky. So cute. Oh my god, guys, this is so cute. He looks like the exact one. So I'll sit him down right here. Oh yeah, okay. So now that I showed you Chucky, let's start with the heads. I feel like I'm gonna go for the best head that I think out of all the heads. This head. If you guys didn't notice, but yeah, if you guys don't know what part this head is in, this is the part where like they stumble upon the circus looking for the boy that Chucky wants to transfer his body into. There was this ride that's I think it was supposed to be a haunted little ride. So then after, there was a swinger thing. There was a skeleton that was holding that, and it keeps swinging. Chucky's face slid off because it was going like this, and then cut off Chucky's face. And that's how his face got like this. Let's try it on him now. Got it. I'll put his head right here. I got it onto him. This is what he looks like. So creepy. I don't know what I would have done if I saw this thing in my room, looking at me sleeping. I don't know what I would have done, but yep, this is what he looks like. Okay, I'll keep this head right there. Okay, guys, we have 2 heads left. I'm going for this one. This head, he looks angry. put it like here, guys. But yeah, this is what he looks like. Unique. Last head, but we still have lots of ones to go through. I got the head. This is the head he usually always does. Stitches and then his eye. Yeah, the one he usually always goes for. That's what it looks like, guys. But now, guys, I'm really excited. So I don't know which weapon to go for, but I'm gonna pick one here. I got it. Which one should I go for? I'm gonna go for the one that I actually really like. It's the voodoo knife. So basically, there's this guy that does voodoo. I guess he taught Charlie Ray these black magic and stuff. I think he's a black magic guy. But he made himself his own voodoo doll. So Chucky wanted to know where Andy is, or where the little boy is. Then after if he doesn't tell him where the person is, he would stab him. But even though the black magic guy, he did tell him, he still stabbed him anyway. And then basically, when Andy's mom came, he warned him about the heart. The only way to stop him was to shoot him in the heart. So yeah, this is the voodoo knife. I'm gonna see what it looks like on him. So let's make him hold it. I don't think you can hold it, guys, but because it's kind of skinny. I got it. Yeah, this is what he looks like, guys, with his voodoo knife. Hey, guys. So this is his voodoo knife. And we'll put that right there. Moving on to the next weapon. I'm going to go for this one. This one's really long. But it's the ruler. So basically, Andy got in detention because he put something bad that you guys should never do. Put on his paper. Chucky did it, so it was probably his plan so Andy could stay in there, but Chucky got locked in his closet because the teacher thought Andy wanted to play with the doll, so the teacher threw him into this room, Chucky into the room, and then after, since he saw Andy, he escaped from detention by using the window. And after the teacher came back in and she thought he was in the room Chucky was in, after Chucky shot her with this thing, and after she got back up and fell on everything, and he started hitting her with this ruler, the same ruler. Yeah. I'll show you guys what it looks like, him holding it. Ooh, his hand. This is what it looks like. Yeah, guys. I'll put that right there. So you guys can see better. That's a very good view. Which one should I go for next? There's so many together, but I think I'm going to go for the one that I also think is pretty cool that they put in here. It's the gun. I think this is the gun that Andy's mom shot Chucky with in the heart to stop him. So yeah, Chucky can hold this gun, I think. I think he can. I think I got it. I got it, but his fell off. Finally, I got it. This is what it looks like. Okay, so I'll put that gun right there. It's really cool. Here's a blade. I'll show you guys. I think you can hold it. Yeah, you can. I got it. He's coming for you. Thank you. Put that right there. hopefully. I'm gonna go for this one next, actually. This is the hammer, all the accessories that they come with. The good guys, his hammer. This is the part where Andy is playing with him, teaching him how to build. But Chucky's just looking at the TV. Yeah, he can hold. Wait. Can you see that? Yeah. Okay, I'll put that right there. I'm gonna go for this next. This is a knife that's really long and big. Oh. Got it. He usually always puts his hand out. So it looks like that one. Next one. Let me go for it to come out. This is the back one that he hits Andy with, so he could do his black magic so he can get into Andy's body. So let's try it on him. Woo! Okay, good as ever. Yeah, so it looks like. Next weapon. Which one? This one. This knife. You can hold it. This is what he looks like. I'll put that right there. He has so many weapon guys. Here's the kitchen knife. I'm gonna make him hold it. This is what it looks like. Holding the kitchen knife. Next accessory. I'll put that one right there. I'll go for this one. You can't, I think you guys could put this on his hands. Oh no, you guys can't. Yeah, this is, if you guys don't know, when Andy went to a foster care, after all this happened, Andy went to foster care, but then they went to the facility where they make the good guy dolls. So first, Chucky, he first called the guy who worked for the good guys. I don't know his name, but he put him on this layer where you put the eyes, and then he stuck the eyes into him. That's the machine how they make the dolls. And then so after Chucky tried to reach for them, because the climbing thing, you guys know what I mean. After the sister shut the door on it, and then his hammer fell, so he put the knife into this, he put his knife into his arm, and then after he put tape on it, so it was ready to kill. But yeah, so this is the part. I'll put that right there. Okay. There's 2 hands left. Okay. I'll take off one of the hands. Wrong hand. Oh, there's 3 hands. Okay. Oh, found the right hand. Okay, so this is his hand. It's this one. He has 3 hands, but I just showed him. Oh, there's actually 2 more left. There's a lot of hands. I'll be putting that hand right there. I think it goes to the same hand. Oh. I can't tell if that goes to the other hand. I can't get him on. But yeah, this was the hand. There's 2 hands left, but I gotta take off the other hand for this one. Okay, this is the hand. I'll put that in front of it. 2 hands left. So. Yep, that's the other hand, and there's 1 more hand left. There was 4 hands in all. Yeah, but this is the hand. Okay guys, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget, oh wait, just kidding guys. There's one more thing I have to show you that's a surprise that I didn't know it would come with, but I saw it in the box. I wanted to keep it a little surprise. The box, there's a little box for him. Okay guys, so first let me just fold these stuff. Oh, no. Okay. Mail him in, guys. Guys, this is what he looks like in the box. Okay guys, now that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget, every day is Halloween for us spooky people. Bye!